हर हर महादेव एवरीवन। दूसरा एपिसोड है। पहले एपिसोड में मैंने बताया कि एडवेंचरस और टूरिस्ट प्लेस कैसी हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज़ी है अंडमान इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग वाटर स्पोर्ट्स। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं उस कहानी के पीछे जो मैं हैवलॉक में छोड़ के आया था, जहाँ पे मोहिनी और शिव का जो अवतार है हरिहरन, उनको यहाँ अवतरित होते हुए देखा है और वो यहाँ अवतार हुए थे। तो उस कहानी को ढूंढने के लिए मुझे अंडमान से काफ़ी आगे जाना पड़ेगा। मुझे बीच में और आइलैंड्स पड़ेंगे जहाँ पे मैं आपको उनके बारे में बताऊँगा, इन्हें हिस्ट्री में लेके जाऊँगा। ये तो माइथोलॉजी की बात है, बट हिस्ट्री यहाँ पे बहुत पुरानी है देखा जाए इंडिया और ब्रिटिशर्स के बीच में और इंडिया की और वर्ल्ड के बीच में।
And we are heading to North Bay Island. I've got the captain with myself. If you are coming from Port Blair and if you want to travel to Ross Island or North Bay Island, you'll be getting a small boat like this. It's got a capacity of 10 people. Now we entered the channel and I don't know why he suddenly stopped. So if you see the tides over here, this is the main channel and this is the entrance of the cruises and the ships. They are coming over here. This is the main harbour where the cruises are being landed from Kolkata and Chennai. Pretty good. The depth nearby the Ross Island was not too much, it was just 15 feet, but the main channel now that we have entered close by to North Bay, the depth is pretty much 100 feet.
40 मीटर या 35 मीटर तक पानी होगा।
Okay. Hey everyone, today I'm really surprised. I'm here at Ross Island and near Port Blair, and recently I did a movie that's called Bunker, and it's one of my best movies and technically strong movie that I've ever done. And now I'm here in the Japanese bunker. I guess it's just 4 feet in the height, and they got one space over here to watch. Now comes the second, third, and this is the entrance. It's a hexagon style. And the entry. This is the first island when the Britishers came, when they wanted to rule India. And if you see behind me, this was the infrastructure, and this structure that you're seeing used to be the office, and this one used to be the powerhouse that they made at that time. It was way back in 110 years back. And this, if you see the tankers, if you see, this was for the distillation of water. Imagine 120 years back they established this distillation of water. So they have because there is no fresh water source over here, so they had this idea in their mind before coming to India that they would need this kind of a technology, and they had it. So now if you see the people, trees, everything, they have just destroyed the structure, and I guess in coming 110 years you won't be able to see the structure. So it is must if you want to come here, if you're really passionate about old vintage things and architecture. This is must. I loved this one. Seems like a good painting, artistic dude. Now we're approaching to the government official place, the secretariat over here in this island. So this is the secretariat. We still don't have the perfect structures, but few structures over that you can get an idea. A plan out is over there. You see this plan area? This was supposed to be the secretariat, but it got underground. Erosion happened, the walls fall off. So this sand took off the base the structure was built on. So this island was being captured by two basic armies. So one was the Japanese army, where they captured this island before World War II, and when the World War II ended, they were forced to go back. And after that came the Britishers. We have improved some accommodations over here, but still, okay. So weird people doing their poses. So we do have secretariat over here, we have mess over here, we have distillation water over here, we have that ammunition base over here, police headquarters. So we got all the structures that we require for establishment of a community. They have their own forces. This was the beginning point. When Japanese went back, the Britishers captured they just evaluated their structure that they want to build over here, and they used all the materials that the Japanese has already used. This was the fencing, and just there's the beach. So this island is not more than it's a radius of 1 kilometer. You need to have 45 minutes if you want to walk. It's a really good path over here. They got cemented paths so that it makes easy for tourists to make a trek. It's a good trek. I don't think 7 kilometers would do any harm with beautiful structure, greenery over there. It's the heat is really strong. The sun is shining bright. It's burning, so tanning is must. So I got family people over here. She's my mother, and she becomes weird when we go for that's a fitness routine.
चक दे इंडिया, चक दे, भाग मिलके भाग, मिलके रुकियो मत, मिलके भाग, मिलके पलट के मत देखियो, फतेह बस सीधा दरिया में ही.
So now we are at the court, the island court that they had, really official. See, amazing, dude. Way back in 1880s, 1890, if they have been building up this structure, imagine the number of people and forces they had while they were coming and capturing this island. It's a must. It's the only structure that we have that the Indian people, the Indian government have been renovating on a routine basis, so that at least this doesn't go off. Otherwise, the rest of the construction is just faded away. The structure is gone. We're just left with the blueprints that we have in our capital, Delhi. Other than that, it's just a sightseeing spot. So this is the court which was initially made. The government couldn't renovate this part, and this was the actual part that they used to conduct the court, the cases, everything over here. And it's a really good concept that they had in mind while they were really curious about how would India be able to welcome them or not. And they were really insecure of this part, that if their plans are being leaked or something happens, this would be a really national security issue. So they planted, all the people paid, the people, banyan tree, everyone, so that if they're not able to capture India, and even if they are forced to leave India, so that these plants in coming years, 50 or 100 years, they would be able to take the structure and break it to the ground. So this was a quite good theory that they had in mind, that creating this much would be an issue. So taking the risk, a number of people bringing up to this small island, building up it's a great risk. So after trekking for almost 45 minutes, we are back. We have reached a point where it's called the tip of this island, and the view is amazing. If you see the panorama, it's just a peninsular view. It goes over one side, then goes to the second side and the third side. So it's a peninsular point, the tip of this island, and this was where they anchored the ship. At that time, this was used to be the lowest point where the ship could actually be anchored. And there's the lighthouse, if you can see. Yeah, so this is the lighthouse, the oldest lighthouse. Now it's a good sight view, just a sight view. Imagine a history like this, and in just a couple of 100 years, it just faded away. So that gives me a really good point that I always tell in my blogs, in Travel India with Deva, when you're traveling with me, that nothing stays constant, everything changes, everything is a variable, it keeps changing. Even bringing out thousands and thousands of soldiers, creating a community over here, the law, every enforcement, everything, even after 100 years, they don't exist right now. So guys, don't stick to anything in your life. Don't make it a habit that this is mine and this is not. Nothing is yours and everything is yours.
तो चलिए और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं अंडमान निकोबार, रॉस, हैवलॉक, और काफ़ी अलग अलग आइलैंड्स। तो उसके बाद हम और आगे जाएंगे जहाँ पे बिल्कुल घने जंगलों में आदिवासी कहे जाते हैं। साउथ अफ्रीका गवर्नमेंट ने दे स्पॉन्सर इंडिया गवर्नमेंट दैट टू कीप फ्यू पॉपुलेशन ऑफ पीपल दैट इज़ 45। आज से 10 साल पहले 45 पीपल थे एंड अब आई गेस इट्स 35 और 40 ऐसी रहेगी पॉपुलेशन उनकी। एंड दे आर ब्यूटिफुल, लाइक दे हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन अर्थ, so they are totally अलग and India government उन्हें protect करती है, so you can't take phone cameras or anything over there in the jungle। but वहाँ पे मुझे उनके बीच में जाना है और उनसे मुझे कहानी की कितनी सच है, क्योंकि वो ही सबसे पुराने इस सभ्यता को देखने वाले हैं और वो अभी तक फॉलो करते हैं, तो उन्हें पता होगा कि कितनी सच्चाई है हरिहरन के अवतार होने में।